Hello, and welcome to this video on how to access the Odyssey Credit Platform. So as you can see, we are in email right now, and you should have an email really similar to this one in your inbox. Because you don't yet have an account with Odyssey or a password with Odyssey, the first step is to go through the password reset flow. So all the instructions are in this email, but I'm going to walk you through it step by step. So the first thing you need to do is click this link, the Odyssey, which will take you to the Odyssey login page, which I have open right here. Because you don't yet have an Odyssey password, the first step is to go through the forgot password flow. Once you do that, it'll prompt you to enter your email address. And the best thing is for you to enter the email address that you have been using to communicate with our team, the one that you may have used to fill out the initial pre-qualification form. So go ahead and enter your email address, and that will trigger an email with instructions. Let's go ahead into my inbox and look for that email. Here it is. It's coming from admin, and the subject line is password reset. So go ahead and click on that link, which will prompt you to enter a password. Let's just I'm going to grab my password, but you can create a password yourself. So here we go. Now you are in, and when you log in, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. This is your home page, and the first step is to click Explore Programs, and you have been enrolled in the Odyssey Credit Platform already with the email address that you submitted through pre-qualification that you now have a password for. So go ahead and enter the Odyssey Credit Platform. Here you are. There's an overview page that gives you some instructions, a little bit of information about the credit facility, and some instructions on how to fill out the application. The application will be found on the application tab, and there's really two steps to it. First, we're going to ask you for some information about your company. And all of these fields are required for the most part, so go ahead and read them carefully. And once you've uploaded everything and answered all the questions, you can hit submit. And at that point, or even before you hit submit, you can come into this project details tab and start entering details about your project. You can enter up to 5 projects at a time. Once you've added projects and you've submitted your company profile, go ahead and send us a message and let us know through this messages tab. And at that point, our team will look through your application and provide a credit decision within 5 to 7 business days. That's it for this video, and I hope it was useful for you. And we look forward to seeing your application. Thanks so much.